Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another tutorial video. And today we will be showing you guys how to open a command prompt or a PowerShell because in Windows there are quite a few ways to do it. So I'm going to show you guys my most favorite way, and that's to right click on the Windows start menu. And then you can see right here it says command prompt and command prompt admin. Instead of right-clicking on the menu, you can also hit Windows key X, which opens up the same menu. You also have the option of hitting the search key and typing CMD, so you can see command prompt, or you can hit Windows key R for run, type in CMD, giving you the same command prompt window. Or you can bookmark it and put it down here. For instance, when you search, you can do CMD and you can drag it. Go to open file location, and then you can drag it right there. Put it on your taskbar, and then bam, right there. Now, if you have moved on from command prompts, like many of us have, all you have to do is go to right click on your taskbar, go to taskbar settings, and then if you look down the list right here, it says replace command prompt with Windows PowerShell in the menu. We'll go ahead and click on. Close it, and then right clicking on the start menu gives you the PowerShell and PowerShell Admin. Same thing, we can search and go to PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, just like that. Or you can do Windows key R and type in PowerShell. Another good way is if you are inside a folder, for instance, this drive right here. All you have to do is hold down Shift and right click, and you'll notice there's an option right here to open PowerShell window here. And instead of doing its default C at your user drive, user directory, it'll default to where I shift right clicked and opened it at. You'll notice that if you don't hold shift, the option is not there. Holding shift and it magically pops up. I also have the shortcut right here on my taskbar. So you have to do is do search, PowerShell, right click, open file location, and then all you have to do is then drag it right here, and then you have it as a shortcut. And I do believe that covers the multitude of ways you can open up a command prompt or your PowerShell. Let us know down in the comments what you would like us to do a tutorial over next. We will go ahead and catch you guys next time.